Looking to supercharge your e-commerce site with a simple, powerful addition? Perfect, because today we're discussing two key strategies, a brand endorsement from a Kardashian and a cart funnel. There will be an emphasis on the latter strategy. Right now, anyone at any age in any industry could easily launch their own e-commerce, from jewelry to sports apparel to even toilet sprays. And with each success, thousands will follow in their footsteps, and unfortunately, statistically, most will fail. I don't mean to be a downer, but... Now, the reason why so many of these businesses fail is simple. Their online stores aren't designed to sell. They have no salespeople, metaphorically speaking. Basically, e-commerce stores are designed to provide surface-level information. They are a catalog, or to a new customer, they're a brochure. They are fantastic for returning customers who want to explore trusted options, but for new customers, you may run into this problem. Someone sees one of your ads. They say, "That looks awesome," and click on it, which takes them to your store. From there, they look around and excitedly add a bunch of things to their cart. Oh, that's cool too. There are dozens of different products and pages to explore, and finally, when they go to checkout and they see the total, they panic. It's expensive. It's also something they've never tried, so how do they know if they're gonna like it? So many questions, and what happens? Most of the time, they either bail or your pretty site becomes a tab with a ticking time bomb. This is what we call cart abandonment, and it's the problem a cart funnel is able to solve. So the cart funnel usually has 4 pages: a sales page, 2 upsell pages, and a thank you page. On the sales page, the best practice is to start with your best-selling, most talked about, most effective single product that most of your customers will want. Not the most expensive, not the newest, not your personal preference, the best selling product. But don't just sell it by itself. That's when people start to price shop. What you need is to take that product and turn it into an offer. Create a bundle or give a discount that is exclusive to the funnel. The copy could address their pain points while showcasing that this product is the solution. You could do this with social proof, educational content, and CTA buttons that go beyond the typical buy now. Some contenders might be discover your best life, send me this special deal, or the classic chicka chicka yeah, chicka yeah. What that does is make it into something other than a commodity. It's an irresistible offer they can't get anywhere else. But the most important element of the cart funnel is what we call the 2-step order form. The psychology behind the 2-step order form is simple and powerful. You have them fill out their shipping information first. This step allows them to make a micro commitment and naturally leads to filling out the rest of the form and purchasing the offer. So make sure you have one on your page. Another pretty amazing feature of the 2-step order form is something we call an order form bump. Picture this, you're in a grocery store at the checkout. What do you see? Kit Kats, Tic Tacs, and other impulse buys we rarely think twice about purchasing. Well, these are order bumps, and it goes right before they're able to check out. So for you could offer your customers rushed shipping or other complimentary products. I mean, whatever it is, keep it simple. The more you have to explain it, the less it will convert. At this point, your customers are in. They're excited and all ready for a cute thank you page with shipping info, but no, they're gonna land on your first upsell page. Here, you might be tempted to sell one of your other best-selling products first. However, we'd recommend doing something different, something unexpected. Offer them more of the same thing. Say, wait, grab 1 more, or 2, or 10 at a discount. Now they have the option to buy in bulk, and the offer just keeps getting sweeter. And you don't even need to explain the product again. They already know what it is. So they stock up for themselves, for a friend, for a baby shower gift, or not. It's their choice. After they decide, you then take them to your second upsell. This should be different, but complementary to what your first offer was. Like if you sold supplements, maybe it's a juice cleanse. If you sold photography equipment, well, here is a photography mastermind. If you sold frozen pizza, here's some pineapple. You got a problem, let me know in the comments, all right? You can do as many of these upsells or downsells as you like, but we'd recommend having no more than 1 or 2 so as to not overwhelm your customer. And finally, the thank you page. You'll have the basic information here, a personal thank you, shipping information, how to get customer service, etc. But that's not all. Here, you can create an offer wall. What is an offer wall? Well, it's something that gives people a glimpse into your online store by showcasing a bunch of the other products you sell or lead them to other funnels. But overall, the offer wall just lets people know that you have a store and that there's plenty more to come back to after they've tried your products. And those are the pages. Let's look at a few examples from e-commerce businesses that implemented the cart funnel. This is Jamie Cross. She created a soap company. She has the traditional website that offers all of her products, but the way she grew to serving hundreds of thousands of customers was using a funnel to offer organic lotion bars. Her order form bump is for rushed shipping. She then upsells more of the same thing at a bulk price and then upsells a face lotion bar at a discount. Socksy, the sock store, offers a discount on one pair of awesome socks, then upsells to more of the same socks at a discount. Another upsells offers a mystery bundle of socks. Another example is Colin Wayne over at Redline Steel. They're a company that makes wall art out of steel. His funnel features limited time offers for holidays or other occasions. But from there, he upsells the complete art set, the chance to order one for a friend, and finally, one of his other best-selling products. So there it is. The cart funnel. Average cart value, much higher. Customer satisfaction, much higher. And chances of them returning to your full e-commerce store now that they've tried something, highest it's ever been. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. And remember, you're just one funnel away, baby. Pineapple. Hey, if you got a problem, I'll take you.